Yes, ma'am. Can you just explain me one doubt I was having in the fifth number example?
Fifth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, these lines and angles I'm practicing a lot. I'm facing a little some doubts are there. Ma'am, we need to learn the three theorems, no? Which is there in lines and angles.
Yeah, theorems means all the theorems that you come across the geometry, you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to learn it. Okay.
Okay.
Means that's why explanations are there, so it is easy for you to remember. Okay. When you keep on practicing them, when you keep on solving the question, so directly it will means you will learn it. Okay. You don't need to sit and learn that.
Yes.
Okay. So
That's what I'm doing.
so what is your doubt in this question?
I couldn't solve it.
Okay, see, D is a point on side BC, okay, of a triangle ABC. So you are having a triangle ABC, okay. D is a side on BC. So D you take it any point on BC, okay. Now such that AD is equal to AC. So AD is equal to AC is given. AC is there or not? Okay. Now you need to draw a triangle. Not use green because it mixes with the previous question. Okay, you need to draw a triangle A, B, C. Okay, and D is a point on BC. So we are going to join this BC in such a way that AD is equal to AC. Okay, this is a point D and AD is equal to AC. Okay, now what else is given? Show that AB is greater than AD. You have to show that AB is greater than AD. Okay, now see both the your both the sides are equal. Yes, Shazan. So that means what? Your both the angles will also be equal. This angle will be equal to this. Yes or no? Because angles opposite to equal side of a triangle
Yes,
are
ma'am.
equal. Okay, so these two angles are also equal. Okay, now if you see this angle, this angle ADC only. So this angle is an exterior angle of triangle ABD. Okay, इस साइड वाले ट्रायंगल का इस साइड वाले ट्रायंगल का ये एंगल जो है वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. यस, ये वाला एंगल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एंगल. ठीक है, ये एंगल जो है वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है इस एंगल का. ओके, सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल दैट मींस दिस एंगल विल बी ग्रेटर देन दिस एंगल. यस, दिस एंगल will be greater than this angle. Okay, understood or not this? Tell me, Shazan, have you understood or not? Because through this part only, we will be completing the rest of the part.
Yes,
Have you understood this line? That
yes,
angle ADC is greater than angle ABD. How? Because this angle ADC is an exterior angle for triangle ABD. Okay. So if you are going to compare only one, see, exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. तो अगर इसकी वैल्यू जो है ये B वाले और A का जो पार्ट है ना उसको आप लोगे तब आपका कंप्लीट एंगल मिलेगा. If I'm leaving that A part, I'm just comparing it with B. So obviously that angle will be bigger. Okay, so angle ADC is greater than angle ABD. Okay, we have got this. Now, since both the angles are equal, okay, your angle ADC and angle ACD, this angle, this green one mark, okay, this is also equal. These two angles are equal. So if you compare this angle to angle B, if you're going to compare angle C with angle B, then also what you will get, that angle C is greater than angle B from the first equation only, if you're taking this as the first equation. Okay, understood or not? Is it clear? The second step. Okay, so angle ACB, or if you can write complete ACB also. Okay, so this complete angle is greater than this. Okay, now what you got, that since angle C is greater than angle B, okay, angle C is greater than angle B means what? That which side will be greater? The side opposite to the smaller, the side opposite to the greater angle is greater. So angle C is greater, that means AB will be greater. AB will be greater than AC. Yes, and since AC is equal to AB, AC is equal to AB, so AB will be greater than AD also. Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the form that the theorems that you have studied now, there you will be using those theorem only somewhere. Okay, and here inequalities means some relation you have to bring. Okay, how can you bring the relation? You have got that if two sides are equal, angles will be equal. And one more, you have that if you are adding two sides of a triangle, it will be the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. And then you have got that the side opposite to the greater angle will be greater. The side opposite to the smaller angle will be smaller, or the angle opposite to the greater length is larger. Okay. So all these things will be using. Okay. Now you see this theorem. Okay. I think in some important points also I have mentioned this. Show that the difference of any two sides of a triangle. Okay. Till now we have studied if we are going to add two sides of a triangle, it will be greater than the third side. Now here you can treat it as a theorem also or just simple question. Show that the difference of any two sides, if you are going to take the difference of two sides of a triangle, it will be less than the third side. It will be always less than the third side. Okay. So here three condition will be there. Three scenarios will be there, not condition. Okay. So two sides. Since there are three sides, two at a time we will be taking. So you can see here I have written all the three sides. Okay. If we are taking AC and AB, so AC minus AB will be less than BC. BC minus AC will be less than AB. Okay. And BC minus AB will be less than AC. Okay. We will be dealing with one and the other two you can do in the same way. Okay. Now what construction we are going to do? We are going to take a point D on AC in such a way that AD and AB are equal. Okay. इस तरीके से हम लेंगे इसको. Okay. This is your triangle ABC. Okay. We are taking the point D in such a way that your AB is equal to AD. Okay. Understood? This is the construction part that we have done to prove. Okay. Now if you see the triangle in the triangle ABD, okay, ABD, the upper triangle, okay, the angle BDC, okay, angle BDC, this angle is what? Is the exterior angle for the triangle. Yes. So exterior angle for this triangle, that means its value, this angle D, this part of the angle D will be less than, sorry, greater than this angle because this is the interior part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
See this point.
Yes, I think that.
Okay. Angle BDC will be greater than ABD. Okay. Because BDC is an exterior angle which will be greater than one of the opposite interior angle. Okay. क्योंकि वो equal किसके होता है? The sum of two opposite interior angles. So if you're going to compare with only one, so it will always be greater. Okay. Now this you are going to take as first point. See, I have mentioned this first point. Okay. Now in triangle BDC, if you are going to take this triangle BDC, then which is an exterior angle? What is an exterior angle? AD.
Angle BDA.
BD, yeah, this angle will be exterior angle. Okay, so if you are going to compare this angle with this angle, okay, if you are going to compare this angle with this angle, so why I am comparing with this angle? See, you have to show that the two sides, that subtraction of two sides will be less than the third side. Okay, so if you see this angle, okay, so this will be less than the angle DBC. Okay, you can mark it as second point. Okay. So I'm writing here BDC is greater than angle ABD. This is your first point. Okay. And the second is what? Angle ADB is greater than angle DBC. Second point. Okay. Now we have seen that AB through construction, from construction, AB is equal to AD. That means the angles opposite to the sides will also be equal. So that means the angle ABD ABD will be equal to ADB. Okay, this we are taking as third point. Okay, understood all these three points? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. But how angle ABD equal to angle ABD?
Because through constructions, AB is equal to AD. See, we have constructed. Okay. Because of the construction, we know that AB is equal to AD, and the angle opposite to the equal sides will be equal. See, I mentioned here theory also. Okay, as angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Understood? Now, any doubt is there? Until here, it is understood now. Now, you see from equation first and third. Okay, from equation first and third. Now, in first, you can see ABD is there. Okay, and what relation is there? ABD is less than BDC. Yes. Okay. So what you will get here? That BDC is greater. So here and these two are equal. So what you will get? That angle BDC from first and second is greater than angle ADB. Okay. In this first equation only, we have replaced ABD by ADC. ABD by ADC because these both are equal. Okay. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can take it as fourth. Okay, now this from this triangle, from second equation, from equation second. Okay, from equation second, you see that the value of ADB, the value of ADB is greater than angle DBC. Okay, this is greater than angle DBC. So what we will get here, that angle BDC is greater than angle DBC. Okay, because DBC is smallest according to this ADB. So from equation second and fourth, what we will get, the new equation, that angle BDC is greater than angle DBC. Okay, understood? So now you see angle BDC, BDC is greater than angle DBC, DBC, this angle. Okay, so what we will get? We will get a relation with side, the angle opposite, the side opposite to that angle will be greater. So BC will be greater than CD. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. BC will be greater than CD. Now BC is greater than CD. Now look here. Now since BC is greater than CD, now the two sides are equal. The two sides are equal. That is AB and AD are equal. Okay. Yes, sir.
It's equal.
So if you are going to subtract that AC because AC is bigger. Okay, so AC minus AD will be less than BC, because if you are going to subtract AC by C, I have just written the CD. This CD, इस CD को ही मैंने क्या लिखा है? I will write here. इस CD को ही मैंने देखो डायग्राम से देखो. CD can be written as AC minus AB, because AD जो AD है वो AD जो है और AB equal है, तो instead CD you can write that AC minus AD you can write CD. So instead of AD I have written AD. So AC minus AD can be written, AC minus AD only I can write here. After that I will write. Okay, understood this? AC minus AD, that will represent the value of CD. So since CD is less than BC, so AC minus AD will also be less than BC. Any doubt? Anybody, any doubt here that how this expression has come?
Ma'am, I'm having doubt how the fourth equation has come.
Fourth equation. Okay. See, this equation you are talking about, Razi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, I have written here from equation 1 and from equation 3. So just look at the equation 1. So in equation 3, what it is saying that ABD is equal to ADC. Okay, both sides are equal. So your both the angles are also equal. Okay, ये वाले जो angle है ना आपके ये दोनों equal हुए, ये वाले और ये वाले angle equal हुए. Okay, now in your first, if you see the first equation, it is said that angle BDC is greater than ABD, and this ABD here you have mentioned ABD. Okay, this ABD. You can see here ABD, and here also you can see ABD. Okay, so I have removed this ABD and I have placed ADB. Okay, ये दूसरा क्योंकि ये दोनों वैल्यू इक्वल है तो मैंने इसको रिप्लेस कर दिया फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में. From first equation and third equation, I have got this value that angle BDC will be greater than angle ADB. Okay, now if you see the second equation, second and fourth equation, जब ये मैं नया equation मिला है ना, उसमें अगर आप second equation की value को अगर आप से compare करो, so what you have got that ADB is greater than angle DBC. So DBC is the smallest, and here we have just replaced the ADB with DBC with the smallest only. Okay. Now what we have got, since the angle it is already given with the angle, so the angle, the side opposite to the greatest angle will be greater. So BC will be greater than CD. Okay. Now CD, if you see from the figure, so CD can be written as AC minus AD. Okay. Complete line में से वो AD part हटा दोगे, so you'll get CD. So that only I have written AC minus AD is less than BC. Now, still any doubt is there?
No, ma'am. I got it.
Okay. Everybody? Similarly, you are going to do with the other two also. Okay. For other two, means for the, I have done for AC minus AB is less than BC. For rest two also you can do the same way. Only the construction part will be different for every. Okay. Once you will be joining from A to, you will make a point D on BC, and one time you will be making a point D on AB. Okay. Understood? Now any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shazan, Arham, Advika. Anybody else has any doubt?
No, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay, now let's see. After the class, just go through once more, okay? All the parts. Now, the next question is, prove that the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three median. Now, if I have a triangle ABC, then what will be the perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter will be AB plus BC plus AC. Yes, all the three sides added up. Yes, that will be the perimeter. And what it is saying that prove that the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three sides, sum of its three median. So median will be what? This will be your median. I'm drawing three medians. Okay, D, E, F. So we have to prove what to prove. What we have to prove that so it's going to be AD plus BE plus CF. Okay. Now, if you see the triangle, okay, one by one of the triangle, if you are going to see ABD, okay, if you are going to see the triangle ABD, okay, ABD, if you see, okay, how I will explain. Okay, just see a point here, okay, this is a point, and this is a line BC, okay, everybody, this is a line BC, okay, and this is a single point, okay. If I am making a line just directly on the not exactly perpendicular but the shortest distance, if I'm covering with the shortest distance here for the median, okay, and two lines I'm making slanting, so which one is the greatest? Which one will be the greater? AB, this I'm making D. So from the figure only you can see AB will be greater than AD, yes, and AC will also be greater than AD. So if you're going to add both the equation, what you will get, that AB plus AC is greater than 2AD. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, for all the other part also, okay? For this part, when you're taking, I'll do with a different color, okay? When you're taking with E part, okay? So what you will get, the two slanting line, BC plus BA will be greater than 2BE, okay? Similarly, for the third one, okay? What it will be, that's BC plus CA will be greater than 2CF, okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we can say, if you're going to add all the three equations, first, second, okay, if you are going to add all the three equations, adding first, second, and third, so what we will get, AB plus AC, okay, BC plus this BA I'm writing AB only, okay, because that will be same, plus BC plus AC. Again CA I'm writing, and better change it here only. Okay, so now I've written all the values. Okay, that will be greater than who I'm taking common. Okay, so AD plus BE plus CF. Okay, now this side also, if you are going to add, you can see 2 AC are there. Okay, 2 BC are there, and 2 AB are there. Okay, so we can write again 2 common, AB plus AC plus BC. Okay, greater than 2 AD plus BE plus CF. Okay, now 2 can be cancelled from both the sides. So therefore, what you will get, AB plus AC plus BC is greater than AD plus BE plus CF. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have got the value. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you try for question number 8, everybody? Let me copy the question. Okay. Now try to do this question number 7. How can you do this question number 7? In the given figure, AD bisects angle A. Okay. We know bisects angle A. Bisects means that AD is going to divide angle A. Yes, into half. Okay. Then find the relation between the side AB, AC, and BC. How can you find the relation between all the three sides? Relation means that which type of relation, which one is greater, which one is smaller, or any subtraction type of relation, which type of relation is going to exist. So how can you find out the relation? You know the value from here, from the, how can you use this given value? What will be the use of the given value to find out the relation between the side? Now with the angle, if you are going to find out the relation with the sides, so what is the relation that you get? The greatest angle, the side opposite to the greatest angle will be what?
Ma'am, it will be AB equal to AC equal to DC.
AB? Repeat.
Equal to AC.
How can you say that AB is equal to AC, Sudhan?
Oh, sorry.
When the two sides are equal. See, when the two sides are equal. The two sides are equal. When the angles are equal, directly you cannot say that. If both the angles would be 70, then you can say that AB is equal to AC. But clearly here, so diagram की बात ही नहीं, आपको value mention है that one is 70, one is 30. I can say that AB is less than AD. AD is greater than AB because 70 is bigger than 30. So the side opposite to the larger angle will be larger. Now here, if you see, you have got the two angles, angle B and angle C. From all the three sides, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will give you 180 degree. So angle A will be equal to what? 180 degree minus 70 degree plus 30 degree. which will be 100, so it will be 80 degree, angle A. Okay, now half of angle A, because AD divides the angle, and AD is the angle bisector, so it is going to divide the angle into half. So what will be the value of half of angle? That will be 40 degree. Yes, this will be 40 degree, and this will also be 40 degree. Now you can find out the value of this angle and this angle.
Yes.
Now I can write here in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle ADB. Sorry, ADB. Angle ADB is equal to what? 180 degree minus 70 plus 40. Yes, so it will be 70 degree. This will be 70 degree. Yes. Since it is 70 degrees, so you can say, Shazan, that both the angles, angle B and this part of angle D is 70 degree. So AB will be equal to AD. Understood?
Yes,
AB
ma'am.
will be equal to AD. Now, in the third triangle, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, if you see the angle ADC, what will be the value? Again, 180 degree minus 40 plus 30. So it will be 70 degree. Okay.
It will be 180 minus 70, it will be 100. No, it will be 10 degrees.
110 degree, na?
Yes.
Yeah, 110 degree.
Yes.
So now you can see this angle is 110 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you got the information? That AB is equal to AD.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But see, in the next triangle, 110 is the greatest angle. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Compared to 30. So AC will be greatest.
Yes, ma'am.
AC will
No,
be
ma'am, but AD will be greatest because AD is 110 now.
AD. How can you AD? See the side, Shazan, be very clear that the side opposite to the greatest angle will be greatest. So side opposite to this 110 is what? AC is the greatest side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So AC is greatest. So AC will be what?
Greatest.
Now. Okay. Let it be 110. Now what we have got? I think there will be no need to find the 110. We have got that AB is equal to AD. Yeah.
What, ma'am?
If you see this part of the triangle, okay, and compare, so what you will get? AC is greater than DC and then AD. Okay? Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
How? See, 110, आपका सबसे greatest, all the three angles
Yes.
have what? 110, 40 and 30. The angle opposite to 110, the side opposite to 110 is AC. So AC is the greatest. Then the side opposite to 40 degrees is what? DC. So DC is smallest. And then the side opposite to your 30 degree is AD. Okay. Now AD हमें पता है that AC is greater than DC. Or you can do directly this way. That this is your 70 and this is your 30 and this is what you have got 80. कुछ और भी रिलेशन निकालना था क्या? AB, AC, अच्छा AB, AC and DC. अच्छा DC में रिलेशन निकालना था ना? हाँ, so you have got the relation. See, sorry, you have got the already relation. See, DC less than AD. Instead of AD, you can write AB or not because both are equal from equation 1. यहाँ पे हम equation 1 कर देते हैं. अच्छा मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है. Okay, because both are 70, so we already know that AB is equal to AD. Okay, just a minute. Let me switch on my. Now, understood this two lines and these two lines understood? Okay, let me do it again.
Ma'am, understood.
Everybody else understood? Razi, Arham? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just quickly I will do it. Okay. Just this part of the triangle. Okay. Arham, see carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So this is 110. Okay. And this is 40 degree. Okay. And this is your 30 degree. यहाँ पे आपको you have got that AB is equal to AD. Okay. Because angle ABD is equal to angle ADB. Okay. Okay. Now, side opposite to this will be this. So this will be what? Greatest. Okay. Because 110 is the greatest angle. Yes, Arham or not? The side opposite to the greatest angle will be greatest. This is your theorem. Okay. So side opposite to 110 is the greatest. The order of first, I will tell you the order of the angle. If you're going to write the order of the angle, so 110 degree, then 40 degree, then 30 degree. Yes or no? Am I right? Yes. So the side opposite to 110 is what? AC. Look in the diagram. And side opposite to 40 degree will be what? This will be the side opposite to 40 degree,
Yes,
DC.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And then side opposite to 30 degree will be this. So AD. Okay. Now this we can assume equation first, from equation first. Because we know that AB is equal to AB, so we can replace, instead of AD, we can replace AB. So here we have got the relation that we were asked. Okay, see. Understood, everybody? And still any doubt is there?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
No? Very good. Now this is the simple question. Okay, I want that everybody try this question. Okay, diagram is not needed, so you can just, okay, ABCD. The midpoint will be O, you can take. Okay, let it be. In your examination, diagram will not be given in this question. Okay, but still I'm giving you one diagram. Okay. Okay. Now, how you're going to do this? Show that a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Okay. Quadrilateral है आपके पास ABCD. That AB plus BC. Okay. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. All the sides means the parameter is less than 2 the diagonals. Okay. The sum of the diagonals. 2 times the sum of the diagonals. How can you do that? I've given you the hint with the figure only. Some of the theorem you can apply. Which theorem you are going to apply?
Ma'am, I think we can apply that the sum of length of any two sides in a triangle should be greater than the third side.
Yes, very good, Razi. Now, what are the triangles that you will be taking here? See, you have to show, see, what are the triangles that we can take? These 4 triangles we can take, okay? 4 triangles
Yes,
we can take, okay? These 4 triangles, okay? One triangle this, one triangle this you can take, one triangle this you can take, and one triangle this we can take, okay? So there are 4 triangles, okay? I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? These 4 triangles you are going to take, okay? Now, we have to show what? That the diagonals sum, okay? So we can write what? That sum of 2 sides. Yeah, which 2 sides will be taking the sum?
I think in a triangle AOB we can take OA and BO.
In a triangle OAB, yes, we can take which one? OA and OB, yes. So we can write here, yellow I cannot use. In triangle OAB, we are taking OA plus OB is greater than what? AB? Yes, we can mark it as first. Now similarly in triangle OBC, what we can say? We can say OB plus OC is greater than BC. Okay, we can mark it as second. Now in triangle, the third triangle OCD, we can say OC plus OD greater than CD, third. Okay, now in triangle, fourth triangle OAD, you can say OA plus OD is greater than AD. Okay, this you can mark it as 4. Now adding all the equations, adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now after adding all the equation, what you will get? Add equation 1, OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OC plus OD plus OA plus OD. Okay. Now here what you will get? Greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Yes or no? Now here you can see that all the things are doubled. Okay. All the things are doubled. OA, OA. Okay. OB, OB. OC, OC. OD, OD. Yes or no? So we can write 2
Yes, ma'am.
OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. Okay. Will be greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. Now you can see the diagonal. OA plus OC. I will be writing here, rearranging OA plus OC plus OB plus OD. Okay. Greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AC. Now, if you see these 2 values and these 2 values, OA and OC, OA और OC जो है वो आपकी एक लाइन बना दे रही है. This one, okay? ये एक लाइन बना देगी और ये वाली एक लाइन बना दे रही है. Okay? So you can directly write here that 2 AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AC. Hence, prove. Okay? This only was asked you to prove. This is the diagonals and these are all the sides. Yes? Any doubt in here? Anybody, any doubt? Arham?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? Shazan, Advika? Today nobody is responding. Now can anybody?
No doubt.
Very good, Razi. And Advika and Shazan? Shazan is left or what? Advika, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Very good. You're not well, Advika?
I was
Fine. Now let's see example number. It's already 49, so I'll stop here. I think how many questions are left? There are a total of 14 questions. So 5 questions are still remaining. Okay. Now, before the class, in the next class, okay, I want you to everybody just go through the handouts, all the 5 questions. Okay, you will see all the solution. Okay, just go through the solution before the class. So when I will be explaining, so you can understand better. Wherever you're having doubts, you can clear those. Okay, understood? That way we'll be able to complete the chapter in the next session. Understood? Okay, just quickly go through the what it is asking, how we are trying to prove. Okay, Arham, Advika, Razi. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
I'm stopping
Yeah,
here.
ma'am.
Okay, I'm stopping here. And in the assignment, you may find all these questions that we have done today. Okay, and some more questions that you will be finding there. Okay, so till then, bye bye.